Okay then, so when I was a kid, I used to dream about having a box of fireworks. So this would be my ultimate dream of a selection box of fireworks when I was younger. And here it is. This is from Firework Shop. This is the next box, the big box. And it really is a big box. It's almost the same length as this dining table. And there should be some rockets in here, which I'm looking forward to showing you. So let's get it open and let's see what it happens. I'll try and figure out what I'm doing with the focus and such on this camera as I go along. Okay, let's try getting this open and having a look inside. Again, I can't remember exactly what I've ordered, so this should be fun, having a look inside this. Okay, so the first thing. Wow, these are heavy, fantastic. These are Funker Scala rockets, and there's 4 different effects in here. You can see you've got crackling willow, blood red, rocket blue. I'm looking forward to seeing what the blue's like. These are really heavy. I wonder what the NEC is, if it's going to tell you. For this particular pack, it's 384 grams in here. So it's interesting, isn't it? But these are so well made, these rockets. They look amazing. There's another pack of those. We got some Reapers by Vivid. The total pack is 340. So that's more like your typical Warhawk size, isn't it? 5 rockets and 340 or 350 grams of composition across the 5 rockets. These will be good. I've not had anything by Vivid before, so this will be great. We've got the Rocks by Celtic, very big ends on these, and the drivers. I imagine there's not a great deal in here. There's a small bag of flash and a lot of air, but they're well attached. And again, 325 grams. Sorry about that. For the whole pack. Now we're getting on to some interesting stuff now. I wanted to get these for a long time. I'm sure you've seen them. But they really are quite amazing on video, and in real life it should be really impressive. I'm trying to find, yeah, 600 grams in that. It's a step above Warhawks. I know there's 6 rockets, but there's a lot of NEC in there. And that's the Super Bomb and Raketen. And I thought I would try the other ones as well, which were the standard. I suppose these will be more in line with the Warhawks. These are the Bomb and Raketens, and these are 318 grams in there. So again, it's a lot more in line with Warhawks. I'm not saying Warhawks are unfortunately any more the standard that we try to set things against. There are better ones, unfortunately. They have reduced the NEC. These are some small Hellfires from Vivid. And these are 140 grams for the lot. Mess around trying to find how much there is in each one, but I'm sure you can imagine we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 across 140 grams. So what's that, 12, 13 grams, I don't know. And then we've got the VSR2. These are the 40 gram 2-inch ball head rockets. So I've got a lot of rockets this year, that was my plan. 240 grams for the lot across those 6 rockets. I'm looking forward to seeing what these are like. I watch these things in video and then I watch them in real life in your back garden. It's a heck of a lot more dramatic. Looking forward to getting these for a while. The Gigant, I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce that, but yeah, actual salute rockets that you can buy in this country now, which is pretty amazing. And these are really good. If you know your Dutch rockets, there's the 901 and the 902, the zinc ones. I don't know whether this is as loud as a 901, but I'm looking forward to seeing what the performance is. But I've got a couple of packs of these. 4 rockets with innovative silver crackling tail and loud titanium salute. 148 grams across 4 nicely made rockets. And again, I've got 2 packs of those. We have, these are great, the kids love these. You know, you can get them, they've got different names and stuff, but they all are kind of the same. You have a cardboard tube which is very long, which is safe for the children to hold or adults to hold, and the effects are really, really nice. Kind of what I call fairy fountain. So the composition might contain some calcium carbonate or something like that to slow down the reaction, so you get like very gentle stars drifting out of these. I think these are much better than sparklers. You get 4 in each pack, and the NEC is 28 grams across all 4. You can see the instructions there. I love the packaging on these. These are really nice. Sorry I can't fit it all in, but these rockets have a lovely sort of weeping, glittery effect. Let's see if we can get one open. Well, we can get the box open. Imagine seeing those when you were a kid. Really exciting, wouldn't it? There's different ones. I'll just get out one for now. So it's a lot of these fireworks here are F2. I've got some F3 stuff. Sorry, I'm not going to get this white writing on blue in this light, but it says brocade horsetail with blue falling leaves, and that rocket is 20 grams. And again, it's Funker. It's really made extremely well. And if you ask my opinion, and it is only my opinion, I think the Funker fireworks, the cakes and things, are some of the finest fireworks that there are available today for the home market. Okay, so here are the really beautifully packaged shot tubes. These are the classic signature shot tubes, limited edition, but they are really great effects in these. 4 shot tubes, very, very good quality. It's got a holographic box. I'm having trouble reading this. Okay, well, it says 96 grams for those 4 altogether. This is an unboxing video, so we might as well see if we can unbox one of these. Yeah, they're very pretty. Just your typical shot tube, but very classy. 30mm, red top. Love fireworks with red tops. A lot of Evolution fireworks have got red tops, and the performance is brilliant. I don't know what it is about red top fireworks. So those are nice. Looking forward to as with most of the shot tubes, what I'll do is I'll remove the visco, and with a non-sparking brass awl, what I'll do is I'll make the hole bigger and put an E-match inside and attach them to my firing system. Either fire them manually or program it up. I have said that the standard of standard fireworks has been going up over the years, and this is another great example. These shot tubes, quite amazing. 160 grams across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different shots. Well, there's obviously 5 different ones, isn't there? And again, I just want to sort of wire them all up and make a really good sort of show out of them. Lots of fun. Like I said, this is the ultimate selection box. No cakes in this though, because the cakes are in the other box. And these are the Big Boom single shot tubes from Gemstone. I heard great things about these. So these are 117.5 grams across 5 30mm max bore shot tubes with the image kind of says it all. It's supposed to be loud. We'll see. Okay, this is interesting. I've had a few of these kind of things and they can be a bit hit and miss. But these, I think it's Zeus, isn't it? Oh, who is it now? It says Burkhoff on here. Ah, here we go. Premium. Oh well. I'm not sure who makes these, but again, it's a barrage basically. This is a barrage of shot tubes in there, along the same kind of lines as some of the smaller things that we'd have in our displays. But I've never seen one with really good performance. 175 shots, 30 meters straight up. The NEC, if I can find it, which I can't. I'm sure it's probably just staring me straight in the face, but you know what it's like when you do these unboxing videos. Anyway, it's a great big long barrage of shot tubes there. So look at this, fantastic. Again, the classic limited edition. This is a nice big candle, max bore. I can't quite see. Oh yeah, 150 grams in that candle. Classic limited edition. It's their signature range. You can see the lovely packaging and things. And I've got 2 of those. So obviously I'm going to put them into angles and stuff like that. Then we've got some more smaller classic limited edition candles. And 200 grams across the 4, so 50 grams each. These. And I can have a lot of fun, sort of like arranging them in at angles and hooking them up to the firing system for this low noise display. We've got a couple more. These were the Storm 3 and 4 candles by Jorg. They're always really great quality. What's that? 20 mil tubes. These made for the European market fireworks are always superior in their performance. But again, Cat 2. But yeah, really good. Each one of these, I know we're always trying to strive to get the NEC in these videos, but you can't see that. But well, sorry about that. Note to self: make sure that you've got enough batteries for your new camera. So I was unboxing the large box, and there was a few candles to look at. There was some Hong Kong candles, and there was some Storm candles by Jorg. And I just thought, oh, what the heck, I'll just get everything out on the table, and we'll have a look at what we're going to call the ultimate box of fireworks. And there you go. It's quite amazing, isn't it? You know, think of everything you want for a display. You've got candles, you have mines, wheels, single shot effects, stuff that's better than sparklers, all these gorgeous Hong Kong candles, 68 grams each, really great effects, pink cocoa and blue cocoa, gold glitter and silver comet tail I've got there, the single shot tubes here, My classic, the wheels, traffic cones. So yeah, you know, shot tubes, mines, rockets, salutes, Roman, well, I don't want to call them Roman candles. We've got candles. We've got some blinkers, strobes really. We've got some cakes. We've got nice effect cakes. Everything you want for a back garden display and a heck of a lot more, all for the price, which was, I reckon it was about £465 for all that lot from the sale at Fireworks shop in Preston. Again, big thanks to Wayne. It was nice to meet you at Southport. Thanks for the advice. And thanks for the fireworks. What a deal. What a deal indeed. I can't wait to do this kind of stuff. Like I said before, it's nice to do the big displays, but to do things for yourself, for you and your family, in your back garden, there's nothing like it. It has a completely separate charm. And of course that nostalgia linked to it when your dad used to bring home a box of fireworks from work. I remember I was so excited. I was trying to make gunpowder by the time I was 12 years old, and I always used to make the bonfires for everyone at bonfire night. After that, order everybody around and order the fireworks and make sure we get the right things right from an early age. So I knew I was a pyro. I knew that I was hooked and there was no cure. And if that's the same for you, why don't you talk to your local firework display team? You can find information on the UK Fireworks Forum. You can talk to people who might know. Fireworks display teams are always looking for people to come and help. And who knows, if you really enjoy it, you'll get to do an almost first place winning show like we did at Southport. Yeah, thanks so much for spending your time watching this video about my hobby. But there you go, £465 worth of fireworks from Fireworks shop in Preston in the sale. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. There's a whole load of videos and things that I want to put together from all the different events that I've done over the summer. One or two small-ish professional shows and lots of events like Canton Hall, Midlands Firework Festival, things of that nature. Hopefully I can put them all together into one video or a series of videos. Anyway, I'll quit waffling now and just let you feast your eyes on all this gorgeous pyro. I wonder how much NEC is in all of this. So, fantastic prices. Look at those rockets. Look at these rockets over here. The ultimate box of fireworks that you dreamt of when you were a kid, and here it is.